How do you multiply this kind of data? If you use a direct multiplication, it will just result in an error. You could also do it manually, but if you have many numbers to multiply, it could take a long time. Instead, follow this trick. In the cell, type the percentage value, followed by the price multiplied by the quantity. Press Ctrl+E to apply it to the other items. Then, highlight everything. Press Ctrl+F. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Choose Replace. In Find What, make sure to enter the percentage sign, and in Replace With, enter the equal sign for the formula. Then click Replace All. Click OK. And close the dialog box. Now you have the correct answer. Don't forget to share this video and follow for more.